What's up, everybody? Shane here from the Brookings home team, powered by Century 21, and it is Monday morning again. We are here with Danny from Dakotaland doing our Monday morning mortgage tip via Zoom yet. So, of course, we're not live. Maybe someday we'll get back to that again, but this will suffice for now. So Danny's going to talk a little bit about a mortgage tip here this morning. And before we do that, just remember I'll have all of our information on the top, on the bottom, or on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see that. So feel free to reach out to her or myself if you have any questions after this. And as always, feel free to tag or share anybody else in the video you think would be a benefit for them as well. So Danny, with that being said, what do you got for us today?
So I have had quite a few questions lately about verifying funds, like if a borrower is getting gift funds, for example. There's a procedure that we have to go through, so we're not trying to invade people's privacy, but like, let's say, for example, you were getting funds gifted from a family member. You have to fill out a gift letter. We have to verify a copy of that check showing that it was, received from them and depositing into your account. So we have to verify the bank that it came from and then the bank that it's going into. So we need the bank account information showing that. Same thing, like if there's large deposits, like all of a sudden you have a large deposit into your account and it's, higher than what your gross monthly income would be. We have to verify those types of things just to make sure that, you didn't recently obtain a new loan and, that can mess with your ratios as far as qualifying for the loan. So we've had quite a few situations where we've had, gift funds involved or have to, even if you're borrowing from, let's say a 401k, for example, and you take a loan against that, we have to show the funds coming from that 401k account, showing the withdrawal, and then showing what account that it got deposited into at your financial institution. So not trying to be nosy, but we have to obviously follow all those underwriting rules and make sure that we get all those verifications done and follow the paper trail, basically.
You bet. Yeah, no, and obviously in today's world with mortgage and stuff, things do get tightened up a little bit more. Good, bad, or otherwise, I think it has helped the housing market kind of stay strong and not fall into the problem that we had 10, 11, 12 years ago. So
yeah,
just some different rules that we have to follow, and I know it's not always fun, more paperwork, but if it helps get you into your dream home, that's what we have to do. So
yeah. And we try to tell people in advance too, if we know that they're getting funds gifted, we try to start that process early so that we're not scrambling at the last minute to get all those verifications. So the sooner we know, the better too.
You bet. You bet. All right. Good information. That is this week's Monday morning mortgage tip. We'll be back again next week with a new one for you. Danny, thanks again for jumping on, doing this.
You bet.
Hopefully you got some fun plans here for the rest of the day, and enjoy the rest of your week. So thanks again. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.